What up, y'all? What up? Starting a new video at Summit again. About to go ahead and grab the shocks, the rear shocks. Then we're gonna get the shocks put on the truck and just keep the upgrade coming. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Appreciate everybody supporting the build and the movement, and we finna head on in here. Alright, y'all, so this what I just picked up for the rear, cause I've been forgetting to show y'all the part number. So that the cost, we're at Summit. So you want to pick the shocks up that I got. This what I got. The lower Cheapskate. This what I got. I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. It was $40 and some change. This gonna drop it 2 inches. If you want to use the same thing, they go to part number. See, I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. Gonna drop 2 inches, and then we're gonna get this put on and see what happens. So we're gonna roll to the next clip.
Okay, so we're back. I've cut them off, made them short, left enough space just in case I need to put some angle shims in it. So I left enough rope so I can loosen it up and maybe put something in it. Let's hope we don't need any of our pinion angle is where we need it to be. And if not, we're gonna change it, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. This is a little secret. I mean, a lot of people know, but I just keep mine secret. I'm not a secret, but you know, maybe it's an edge for racing. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so we're back. This is the shock that we're going to use for the back of the Cheapskate. We're going to get some adjustment out of it. I'm not sure if you can see it. For some reason, the light is terrible. There may be a problem there, maybe. Okay. Either way, those are the numbers. But this is the shot we're going to put on back of the Cheapskate. And we're going to be able to get some adjustment out of it, so when we do try to race it, we're going to be able to get some traction. All right?
All right, y'all see Cheapskate finally got dropped.
Jay's going up under.
Huh?
He's going up under this.
Nah. Y'all see Unc got Cheapskate dropped, the back ain't high no more. So y'all saw the first part of the video, you know, he explained and showed y'all the blocks in it. So this how it look right now. Let me back up so y'all can see. Now it's level, back lower. I don't know if I'm doing anything to the front just yet. The front was already down a little bit due to the V8 in it, the 350 up front. So I mean, it's sitting okay to me now. It's sitting a lot better. I like the way it's sitting now. So that's it right there. That's the current look. Cheapskate, we got the shocks on the back. I'll show y'all them. He got the he showed y'all the shocks too. We got the comp engineering shocks on it. Let's see. Y'all see the shocks right there. You got the comp engineering shocks on it. I got the same kind for the front for now. I said they cheap, man. They real inexpensive if you want something basic. They 3-way adjustables. He gonna do them in the front. And got Moroso trick springs for the front too. So Moroso trick springs. I can't talk. Moroso trick springs for the front and comp engineering for the front too. So that's it. That's the update on Cheapskate. It's dropped now. I hope people happy, man. Everybody kept saying, you need to drop the truck, you need to drop the truck. I got tired of typing, it's coming, man. I was gonna drop it. I wasn't gonna leave the truck sitting like an old school hot rod. So this it though. You can definitely tell it been dropped. You can definitely tell. So he gonna check the pinion angle and all that other stuff since the suspension been messed with now, and gauges. You gotta do the gauges and stuff. And I mean, after that, it's just literally hooking electronics and nitrous up, and that's it. So we'll check back in. All right, y'all. We doing the front now. He doing the front shock install on the Cheapskate. So what we got going on, Unc?
All right. First of all, we got to take the old ones off, and they've been on here so long that when you turn the nut, to get it off the shock stem, the whole stem turns. So what we did, we went up out of the truck, put a pair of vice grips on the stem, so that way we can get the nut off. When something been on a long time, your friend is PV Blaster. Spray it down with PV Blaster, give it a chance. See it start coming out.
Yeah, y'all, that PV Blaster come in handy. Definitely come in handy.
Simple.
Got that out.
You gotta go up under.
I'll raise it back up, and I'm gonna cut to the next clip. And we're gonna show y'all the bottom.
This is actually, your shock actually bolts to these two bolts. I already took them loose because I had to get the top out. But anyway, you take these 2 1/2-inch bolts out. See, it got sliced so you can pull the shock out of it. Up here, that's why I had the vice grips. Stop the shaft from turning so I can get the nut off up there. You take a shot at it. There go the old Gabriel, some Gabriels. How about that? In a minute. All right, we're gonna go to the other side and just go ahead and take both of them off at the same time.
All right, y'all. That's how it looked before taking out, so y'all see. All right, y'all. So now, since he got the truck raised, I can really show y'all what been done to the rear. Y'all saw the clips earlier in this vlog that my aunt recorded since I wasn't here. So this is what it looked like. I showed y'all the kit too earlier in this vlog, but this is what it looked like. Got the block going between the lease and the actual rear end, and that's it. 2-inch drop, and then we got the Comp Engineering rear shocks, which y'all, if y'all been following the vlogs, then y'all saw when I went earlier, also in this vlog, and bought these from Summit. So this how they look. Quick look at the exhaust. People want to see the muffler. That's what the mufflers look like. Magnaflows, X-pipe, all of that. So here go the front shocks right here. They 3-way adjustable too. These the front shocks, and I got these from my buddy Dan Bowler. Which, if you've been following all the episodes, then you saw where I first sold. I got these and all that. But these the front. This is what they look like. Same thing, matching set, Comp Engineer. Like I said, they real cheap to buy if you want a good starter shock, or you know your application not too wild, which this not. So they're a perfect shock. 3-way adjustment, and let me show y'all where the adjustment is. Actually, right here on the top. This right here turns. And this how you get your adjustment right here. So, about to get these on, and that'll wrap this video up.